office of the Shnong Rapleng. We are coming here to place with humble heart to all the people, especially the non-Khasis who are coming as tourists or in whatever way you are coming to our village, either to Madan Rapleng or to Blom Rapleng, for your sightseeing or for your enjoyment or for anything. From the village Durbar, we have been observed for some time that there is a kind of intention from those who are coming from different places that when they're coming there to enjoy or when they're coming there with their family or with anybody for any purpose, we do observe that there is dumping of plastic bottle, sometimes even breaking of bottle, which is not at all good, and I think it is not right. So we do sincerely appeal to all our friends. When you are coming to our place, please do not come with an intention that this place can be do as you wish. You cannot do like that because each and every one of us are living in the environment. We need that clean and green environment in which we have in our area. Let that green and clean environment be maintained, be sustained, and from the village to where we want that to continue. So we sincerely appeal to each one of you with due respect. So when you come there, please take care of all the things that you carry with you and then take back. Do not dump anywhere. Do not break the bottle and come there, enjoy your day, but with an intention that you are not creating any kind of problem to the owner of the land, to the village Durbar, and to anybody. Let the environment be clean and green as it is, because this is the gift of God who has given to us. Let us enjoy it in a natural way.
Nalor bagi lapan benai di omangilah kan persya. Telah lagi yang ni persya orang di mana di hak dan cinta persya. Teman lala nak lihat Shnong ni ada pun bicara ki mai kita kita berapa je dia persya orang di mana sim ayah buat dan juga buat